Okay, hi, my name is Paul Dragos. I'm the Chief Test Pilot for the Intel product line of Stampede Distribution. What we're looking at here today is a brand new drone from Intel. It's called the Falcon 8 Plus. This is a top-of-the-line commercial-grade drone that offers capabilities no other drone in the industry has. It has triple redundancy, it has no single point of failure, it has infrared camera capability with 6 different spectrums, it has a 30 times optical zoom camera, the Sony A7. It will fly for at least 1 kilometer and at least 25 minutes. It is used for search and rescue, for industry inspections, for infrastructure inspections, and all kinds of commercial applications throughout the United States and the rest of the world. Intel has really come up with the top-of-the-line drone. It's going to take 3 to 5 years for anybody else in the industry to catch up to this bird. It's truly the best there is. For more information, please go to stampedeglobal.com. Send us any questions, and thank you very, very much.